Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. We have to find the perimeter of this shape. Now what is perimeter? It's basically the boundary. Now if we will find AB length, then the length of this arc BD, then the length of this arc OD, then this length OC, then the length of this arc CE, and AE is already given. Adding all these, we will get the desired result. If we will join A to D like this, now what is this? This is circle, and we know that circumference of the circle means in order to find the boundary of this whole circle, the formula is 2 pi r. Now if we divide this big circle into 4 equal parts, this and this, so what is this length? It's basically 1/4 of this whole circle. This big circle means 1/4 of circumference of the circle. And what is radius in this case? It's 10. So calculating this, we will get 15.71. What is this length? It's basically semicircle. So circumference of semicircle, half of 2 pi r. Radius in this case is 10. So calculating this, we will get 31.42. So this distance is 31.42. Unit is centimeter. Now if you will see OA, this distance is basically radius of this big circle, which is given 10 centimeter, and this length is 3, so 10 minus 3, 7 centimeter. OB, this is basically radius of this big circle, which is 10. 10 minus this length, 10 minus 3, this length OC is also 7 centimeter. Now I will erase this line and I will make this circle. Now this is a circle and we need the length of this semicircle. It's half of the length of whole circle, 2 pi r. And what is radius here? OD. This is basically the diameter of this circle, and half of this diameter is radius. So this radius is 5. So in this case, radius is 5. Calculating it, we will get 15.71 centimeter. So this length is 15.71 centimeter. I have already calculated this length OC, which is 7 centimeter. Now what I have to do is I have to find this arc length CE. Now I will erase this and I will make this complete circle like this. Now see, what is the radius of this circle? It's 7 centimeter. Length of this arc CE. So what is this? It's basically 1/4 of this circumference of the circle equals to 1/2 pi r. And what is radius in this case? It's basically 7 centimeter, 11 centimeter. So this distance is 11 centimeter. Adding all these lengths, 15.71, 31.42 plus 15.71 plus this length OC, which is 7 centimeter, plus this length is 11 and this is 3. Adding all this, we will get 83.84 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of this shape.